Today we're going to show you how to install the CT Carbon tips to our G80. It's the exact same process as the genuine BMW M Performance ones, and we are going to be following the BMW guide on how to do them, which involves cutting the top of the exhaust by 45mm and the bottom by 13 to give it a straight cut to fit it inside here. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take the exhaust down so we can do all the cutting straight on the floor.
Hey, Rick.
So that's the tips all done. All in all, it took us about an hour to do with removing and refitting the exhaust. What I did forget to mention is that you also need to cut off the pins at the bottom here to get these on nice and flush. We will put a link to these tips and all of our G80 parts in the description below, and don't forget to get in touch with us if you have any questions or if you would like your CT Carbon products fitted.